out here in Berg again fishing. I got shiners today. I never use shiners here. And some shrimp. I got a shiner on the bottom, one on a cork. It just took off. Okay, I got him. Looks like a bass. Well, my other one went down, my other cork went down with a shrimp on it. Oh, hang on, bass. Oh, we got us a bass. Here, little bass. Look at that guy. Choked it though. Oh, he ain't too bad. He's a little small for food, but there we go. Little tiny bass. Little largemouth. We're gonna let him go. He's bleeding a little bit. That was a nice catch. First fish of the day. Little minnow. Just hooked him through right in front of the dorsal. And there we go. See if we can get a bigger one. We got something big here. This is turned on. Oh yeah, alright. We just yanked, didn't even bother the nibble, just took off. Nice catfish. Heck yeah. Like nice enough where probably should be using my dip net. Yeah. It was on a shrimp on bottom. Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. Nice. Switch hands. Get to my pliers. It's in there good. Look at that dude. Monster. Gonna throw him in the ice chest. Alright, that was a nice one. Alright, we'll be back here in a little bit with another one, I hope. What's funny is I got a minnow on bottom, or a shiner, whatever you want to call this little sucker. Not one bite yet, still been on there. About an hour now. We've only really caught 2 fish the whole time, so it ain't fast because the tide is moving in, so that could be part of it. The tide's going in, it's not the best, but catfish bite all the time as far as I can tell. So you always have that to look forward to. Probably perch, sunfish all up around the dock, but I'm not really fishing for them today. I've got plenty at the house to eat that are sitting in my pond ready to be harvested. See him up there? You're laughing at me. I'm not catching no fish. Don't laugh at me. Yeah, I see you. Don't look at me. Turn your head. Alright. You'll be alright. There we go. We got him. Little croaker. pretty fish. They got razor blades on their gill plates though. They are some pretty fish. Got him. Got another one. Another croaker. Good one too. These things get a little bigger than this. I've caught them about a pounder for the biggest one. You make good fish tacos though. Almost did it. Almost went off in the hole. That's how you do a heart check. Make sure your heart's good. Okay, we got another fish. Oh, it looks like a big catfish. This is like 6-pound test, so it's gonna be fun. And he's going toward the rocks. Don't go toward the rocks. Don't go in the rock. Nope. Bigger than the neck. Alright. The only bad thing is this pole's got a bite. It's pulling on it. Put this one to the side. Decent, whatever it is. I hope I won't wash it. Ah, it is a redfish. Alright, he's a little small though. What I was talking about, catfish would be fun. Let's get this guy off. I don't want to kill him. He's got it down his mouth pretty good. Take him out. To the dot. It's not bad. Yeah, it was easy to get out. It's pretty. I know he's not gonna make. No, he would have to reach. See exactly how big he is. 14, he's two inches shy of being legal. But look how pretty these guys are. Overgrown goldfish. They do have some teeth though. Whew. All right, guy, you're free to go. Little buddy. All right, we got a catfish to deal with now. It's not working out. If we can help it. Oh, he was barely hooked too. It was just hanging in there. We'd have let off of him for a second, that'd have been the end of it. Big old male catfish. Look at that. That's nice. Pretty girl. Boy, big old boy. Big old boy. It's gonna make a nice meal. Oh! Don't break my gear, buddy. He's bigger than the other one. Yes, we're doing good. All right, what's laying on top of what? This is a shiner rod. All right, we got one on. That's the size I usually like to catch. Well, them big ones are going to be mighty good dingers. Check him out, pretty. Got leeches on his tail. Been leeched up. Oh. There he is. He's on there. Get the camera right. It's a black drum. It's a juvenile. See the stripes? It's a good fighting little fish right here. Of course, he needs to be 16 inches, and he's probably about 12. They ain't close. Yeah, fin. Well, let's get a poop. There you go, guy. Something's going on. He's running. I got something. Little fish gar. Saltwater gar. See that little sucker? Come on, fish, calm down. Thought it was weird I was swimming out there. Look at that. Big old beak on him. Shiny, toothy. Wonder what they taste like. Just don't eat me! Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. I don't see a reason to keep one of these things. And my line went under. Another croaker, good job. Here we go. There we go. We got him. Killing it today. Oh. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. There you go. Not like my other hole, it's all baby catfish. So, pretty much coming down here was worth it, even though I wanted to fish over there. Look at that one. Oh, kicked me. The tide completely changed on me. It's starting to go out. It stopped, basically. I'm done fishing for the day. I got enough fish. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Starting to warm up, and the clouds are pushing in. Should cool it off, but no. Let's keep with it. I want to get out of this, but I don't want to get chewed up by the bugs, so I'm going to go ahead and go home. Yeah, they quit biting altogether. When the tide changed, they just stopped. They'll start back up in probably an hour. I really don't need any more fish. I got plenty for the day. We did catch a couple of nice ones on shiners and some nice catfish today. I mean, immaculate big catfish. So that's something don't happen a lot. I'm wanting to get back into my kayak, so maybe some kayaking fishing videos in the future. Keep an eye out for those. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.